Hello everybody, today we're going to be looking at how to see tweets without an account. So here we are on Google. What we are going to do is we are going to search a name on Twitter that we want to see their tweet. Here I'm going to search Elon Musk X. Here you can see a link here where it directs to Twitter. I'm not going to tap on it directly because it directs me to the application. What I'm going to do is instead I will open it in a new tab, and here there you go. I haven't signed in and I can still see the tweets of Elon Musk. Hope that I could help you. Thanks for watching. Take care.